see how great and amazing God's work was, as a storm so quickly flashed and just as quickly dashed away went the storm. But Carl Boberg's heart was warm. He knew the God he preached about was mighty in the world throughout, his power strong. Boberg knew this as he walked along. When he returned to his home, his thoughts began to roam, and that day he penned the poem,
O great God,
which over time with lyrical nod, the awe he experienced that day became the great, great old song. How great thou art, sung by many devout. All the generations can sing together and see God's mighty care for you and me. Boberg wrote a mighty poem that day in 1885, long before we were alive. But his love for God can